Maddie. Today we're gonna bake peanut butter cookies. So I preheated my oven to 375 degrees. I am going to add 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter. That we have 1 1/4 cup brown sugar, an egg, and a 1/2 cup of Crisco. And then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. One, 2, 3, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, we're gonna cream all this together, and then we're going to add 1 3/4 cup flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of creaming together very nicely. 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt, and 3/4 of a tablespoon of baking powder, and the 1 3/4 cups of flour, and then we are going to mix it all up again. I'm gonna spray my tin. Take a little bit of dough, roll it in a circle, flatten it down, make a few like this, and then I'll show you how we make the pretty crisscross. And then we do criss-cross, criss-cross. Okay, and now we're gonna finish these all before we put them in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes at 375. Okay, so we're now taking them out of the oven. Look how pretty they look.